Are you ready to join the future and transform your home into a smart paradise? Then you're in for a treat because we've got 5 incredible gadgets that will blow your mind. From a coffee table that keeps your drinks cold and tunes hot to a dimmer switch that lets you set the perfect mood, these gadgets are the future of home tech. So, get ready to say goodbye to boring and hello to extraordinary, because we're about to show you the 5 must-have smart tech gadgets that will make your home the envy of all your friends. Let's get to it. Sobro Coffee Table. Introducing the Sobro Coffee Table, the ultimate smart home gadget for the modern-day coffee lover. This coffee table is not only stylish and sleek, but it also has built-in features that will blow your mind. With the Sobro Coffee Table, you don't have to leave the comfort of your couch to grab a cold drink or charge your phone. This gadget has a built-in refrigerator, Bluetooth speakers, and USB ports for all your charging needs. So whether you're binge-watching your favorite show or hosting a party, the Sobro Coffee Table has your back. But be careful, once you experience this smart coffee table, you'll never return to your old one. Orvibo Smart Dimmer Switch. Looking for a way to control your home lighting with the flick of a switch? Welcome to the future of light switches with the Orvibo Smart Dimmer Switch. This smart home gadget is the perfect way to take control of your lighting and create the perfect atmosphere in your home. With the Orvibo Smart Dimmer Switch, you can dim the lights, set the mood, and even turn them off without leaving your couch. And if you're feeling particularly lazy, you can even use your voice to control your lights. Plus, its sleek and modern design will leave your guests in awe. Samsung Family Hub. This amazing smart home gadget is the perfect addition to any modern kitchen. With its massive 21.5-inch touchscreen, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. The Family Hub does everything from browsing recipes to making grocery lists and even watching your favorite TV shows. But that's just the beginning. This smart home gadget is also equipped with cameras that allow you to see inside your fridge from anywhere, so you'll never forget an ingredient again. Plus, with its built-in voice assistant, you can control your smart home devices, ask for recipes, and even add items to your shopping list with just your voice. The Samsung Family Hub also helps you stay connected with your family, no matter where you are. With the Family Hub's built-in camera, you can leave notes for your loved ones, share photos, and even check in on your kids. And with its customizable screen, you can even display your family's calendar and keep track of everyone's schedules. But perhaps the best part of the Samsung Family Hub is how it simplifies your life. With its meal planner feature, you can plan your meals for the week and even get recipe suggestions based on what's in your fridge. And with its SmartThings integration, you can control all your smart home devices from the Family Hub. Echo Dot 5th Generation. Are you ready to have your mind blown? The Echo Dot 5th Generation is the ultimate smart home gadget that will transform how you live. You won't believe how easy and convenient it is to control your smart home devices with just your voice. Whether you're dimming the lights, turning on your favorite music, or checking the weather, the Echo Dot 5th Generation makes it effortless. But that's not all. This smart home gadget is also a personal assistant that can help you with everything from setting reminders to answering your burning questions. With its impressive sound quality, you'll feel like you're in the middle of a concert in the comfort of your own home. Have your mind blown and experience the magic of the Echo Dot 5th Generation. It's more than just a smart home gadget, it's the future. So there you have it, 5 incredible smart home gadgets that will transform your home into a futuristic oasis. From the Sobro Coffee Table to the Echo Dot 5th Generation, these gadgets will make your life easier, more convenient, and more enjoyable. With their innovative features and sleek designs, these gadgets are sure to impress your guests and make you the envy of all your friends. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing content on AI and tech. As always, thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.